dear children. Today we are going to start 7th standard second poem. That is, name of the poem is If. If means what? Something it may be happen in our life. So that is why we are giving you. Giving is important in our life to give someone and something. You must yourself to be kind, strong and charitable. You must not be hesitant. If you want to give something, giving is very important. Good things, good words, good books, whatever you want to give to someone, that to be related to good things. You should be strong, you should be kind and you should be charitable. That is, you should not hesitate to giving something to others. That is, today's we are going to discuss about the giving. Giving is very important in this poem. They are going to describe very nicely. See, first one, if you have a kind word to say it now. Kind words means good words. If you want to say it now. Any good words you want to say it now. You should not wait for tomorrow and day after tomorrow and all. If anybody, if they show you in front of you any songs or any write-ups, anything, if they wanted to share with you, if it is good, say it on the spot. Do not wait for a minute, a second, an hour, a day, a week, a year and all. Just you should do it now. And if you have something to give it now. If you want to give something to others, give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad. If you want to make others glad means what? Happy. If you want to make others happy or less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. Whatever, if you want to say kind words, say it now, should not wait. If you want to give someone and give it now, should not wait for a time. And you should not, you can make someone happy or less sad. For that also, do it now, do it now. Less sad will be there also, no problem. And happy also, no problem. You should not wait for the time and all. On this spot, you should do it. If there is a good news to give it now. Any good news you want to give others means that also you should tell. And if there is a friendship to show, if you want to show friendship with a kind-hearted person, always they are going to help others, then they can have a more friends in their life. That friendship, if you want to show, hope you can rise. Then you can get it more friends. And hope you can rise or someone you can rise. Whatever, if you want to get a friendship, hope you can rise it. You can get it more friends. That too you should give them respect. If you give a respect, you get it more friends. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Those are all good deeds and all. You should not wait for the time. On the spot you should do it. Next, if you have trust to bestow. Trust means what? To believe. If you want to believe, to give it. You others you want to believe. That also give it now. And if there is a courage to give. If you want to give a courage, and pain you can ease, pain you can remove it, or someone you can please. Do it now, do it now, do it now. If you want to give a courage you should remove pain. You should erase pain. You can ease pain. And someone you can please. Politely you are going to request others. No worry. Courage means what? No fearing others. Understand? No fearing about others. Politely you are going to request others. That is what? Courage. You should have that. Then suddenly you should have that courage. And on this spot you should ask anything about anything. You should ask courageously. That is also do it now, do it now, do it now. In this poem, what they are going to describe, in our life, the giving is very important. If you want to give something to others, we'll get it little calmness, little strongness, little charitable, little hopes in our life, and we should have a more friends. These all aspects in our life we are going to get. These are valuable things in our life. So giving is very important. That is why in this If poem they are discussed very well. And referring their general values, they told, now before it is too late. Now and before. That is too late. now the time for the good deed. You should not wait for a minute, a second and or now and before, but now the time for the good deed. Whatever time we are standing here, it's a good time for good deed or good works. Good deeds means what are good works. Good work if you want to do, you should not keep up pending for tomorrow's or next day and all. Do not wait until tomorrow. You should not wait for tomorrow's, for it may be just a little too late. What happened? Just a little we should finish our work for giving anything for others. Understand? That is why they told what? If poem they have given, you should also have some of the valuable things. Giving, you should adapt and you should also have a more friends in your life. Understand, children? And tomorrow I am going to give you some of the solutions for this poem and with something. Understand? Okay.